Hi, welcome to my channel. I am a Pampered Chef consultant, and not only that though, I'm a customer. So when they come out with their new catalog, this is their spring and summer edition, I am so excited because there are things I want just for me to put in my kitchen. Not only that though, as a consultant, I do get dibs on seeing them early and purchasing them early, and that's where you get to benefit because I get those in my kitchen. I get to play around with them, and I'm gonna show you what those are. I picked 5 that I knew I needed, and then I thought, why not show you what I got that I had to have, and I'll show you those in action. I'm gonna go through the unboxing of those and then put them to good use. So I can't wait to show you those. All these products in here are available starting March 1st. So if you're watching this after March 1st, they're available. And you can go to my link below in the description box and see all the products there from my personal Pampered Chef website. So I'm super excited to share that with you. Once again, the link is below and it's also here on the screen for you. So you can enjoy that and see all the cool things, such as they got a new coffee machine. I mean, come on, look at that. A coffee machine, so cool. They also have a milk frother to go with it. They have this beautiful pitcher in here. They have so many cool new things. They have syrups and sauces and things for the grill, which I got one of those, so I can't wait to show you that. So let's get into the video. Let me show you everything that I got out of the spring and summer catalog, and I can't wait to show you. Let's go. So exciting. Pampered Chef products have arrived. So let's check it out. Starting with small grill pan. Love it. Love it. Okay, so here's the palm of my hand, just a little bit bigger than my whole hand. I have a small hand. It's actually a great size for just like a small serving of vegetables or mushrooms, you know, or potatoes. And this is the smallest of the 3 sizes. They do offer a medium and large size as well. Each of the grill pans comes with this metal sturdy handle that you slip into the side of your module grill pan, and that makes it easy to get in and out of your grill. Or in this case, I am now roasting garlic and I'm going to use it in my air fryer. I couldn't wait for the grill to warm up. I wanted to try this anyway because it's the perfect size to fit into your Pampered Chef air fryer, giving you more room on one side. So let's say you have a couple vegetables, or if you have mushrooms on one side and you want chicken on the other, it now gives you more room for more variety. I'm roasting my garlic at the roast setting for 7 minutes until it is nice and golden brown after I have put some oil and salt on top. I got the serrated nylon knife. Look at that. Perfect for your salads. Love that. Let me show you it in action. Okay, so I have some parsley leaves here, and I'm just gonna feed it through. The smallest one it will fit in, and just kind of see how that separated from the stalk. And now I have my parsley. Let's do another one. I'm going to give my parsley a rough chop, which this knife is perfect for. And some other herbs that work really well with this knife would be to pull through oregano. You could do it with rosemary, and then thyme. Anything that has those small leaves on a stem that you want to just get those off easily, this is perfect for that. The next item I purchased is the silicone slotted turner. I'm going to show you the one it's replacing. Look at that. If you can see all the rust that is on this spatula and how many burn marks there are from leaving it on the stove, leaving it on the skillet, and how it ended up with all these melted rivets inside this spatula, you can see why we needed a new one. And I will tell you, it should be pretty obvious. This is not Pampered Chef. And it's time to step it up and get some good quality serving spatulas, and that's what this turner is going to be perfect for. Flipping our burgers, eggs, everything, fish fillets, because of that nice beveled edge. It's going to be Fantastic and so good to finally throw this away. My husband's been asking me for weeks now, when can we throw this out? And I said, not until my new one shows up, not until I purchase the new one from Pampered Chef. So here it is. Goodbye, old crappy spatula. Hello, quality.
The next thing I got is this whipped cream maker. Now, Pampered Chef has always had a whipped cream maker, but now they have this new part of the tool that you can put on the end, and it allows you to dispense that whipped cream so easily on everything. I'm going to whip up a batch with my heavy whipping cream up to the fill line. I'm going to put my plunger into the base, and because of those holes, you're going to be able to whip up whipped cream in less than 30 seconds. It is that fast, it's that easy. And now I'm ready to switch out that cap and put my dispensing cap in place. Now I can make the prettiest swirls and dollops of whipped cream. I'm doing so on my little espresso cup, and then I'm going to show and play around with some more designs. I wish I had this when I was making my little Santa hats with the little dollop of whipped cream. It would have been the perfect thing. To be able to make your whipped cream in the same dispenser as you get to dispense it is saving you one extra step. When you're done making your whipped cream and using it and you have any left, you just put the base back on and you can put it in your fridge and store it until you're ready to use it up.
I look forward to showing you these more in future videos, and you can see all the things I whip up.
The last item I got to share with you is the wood cake stand. And this is a beauty, and it is going to be so great to add to my entertainment ware. I do a lot of entertaining, and I'm always looking for something beautiful like this to display with. Now this stand comes in 3 pieces, and that middle piece allows you to connect the top to the base, and that is going to give it that 3-inch elevation. It's going to be perfect for displaying. It's beautiful, and I love that it has the Pampered Chef emblem in the middle, and the 3 separate pieces makes it so easy for storing. Speaking of entertaining, I already put it to use. I had a little party and put some pate on there with some crackers and fruit. It is beautiful. I love it so much. These are all the items. Once again, my little grill pan, my whipped cream maker, my nylon knife, my spatula, and my cake stand. I love everything I got, and I can't wait to use them more, especially that grill pan on the actual grill. My nylon spatula is going to be put to good use. It's the only thing that didn't come out of the spring collection. Pampered Chef already had it. It's in the catalog, but all the other items are from the new spring collection. So take advantage. My links below. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you on the next video.